Yeah. Mac J, Mac. The journey was never a crossroads situation. Every step I took, I knew exactly where I was heading. No personality trait, just different ways of behaving. Been saved and unsaved, experience taught us both ways. Failure or success means nothing if they don't pray. I was never the home type. Home is where my heart's right. Believe that every second is a lost life. That's why my mama encouraging me to get my first wife. My life back on track, promise I would do that. But she cared too much, she'll never let them talk about me. See, mama always was a franchise. The company I keep just to get me by. Some time off, think about my exes and my recent faults. Never kept a picture of my past. Never keep a picture of my past except you. Can't forget to realize who was with me before. XOXO, still working on my dreams. You part of them.
Vhathu vhane ndo vha humbula na mbona ndisi ambe yoni songo gungula nga maanḓa ḓoroboni nda pfuka ndo fhumula vhathu ndi vho ṱangana zwezwi ri tshi khou hula ri ḓo dovha ra ṱangana ni songo fhela mbilu vhaṅwe vha hashu vha khou lwala vhulwadze ha mbilu maybe a vhana vhutshivha vha tou vha na mbilu ma hometown vha ri Mizofili I feel you. Uvangana ni kho ḓo wana vhaṅwe thingo ḽa vhangana vhanga ngori ndo wana vhaṅwe thingo ḽa mashaka anga ngori ndo wana maṅwe ni dzimbiluni dzanga yo ndi nga si ni hangwe rasa amba a zwi amburi rolwa ende ndi ndoṱhe tshiṅwe tshifhinga ndi a pforothola ndi khou uya hayani tshi khou wani thingo kholwa thingo hangwa na tshithu tshe tsha itea mulovha.
I'm a supper boy, never really let anything bother me. LTT's my home, my God is back like it's in front of me. You swear my mom's a mayor and my dad's a leading officer. Do what I want, do what I want. 3 key pork, I'm holding it down. Be okay, I'm holding it down. Toyando, I'm holding it down. My playground, so I'm choking it now. Hey now, can't stop reminiscing. Every time I leave, it's you I'm missing. Your beauty's sickening, and you I'm lifting. The country's out, so you flowing little ill is sickening. Ain't no antidote, we think a simple homesickness. So take him home and see him smile, he needs no stitches.
Signing off, Dr. Hometown, I know you miss me. One.
Mizo. Mac J. Eli. It's a tight combination, right? Taking it back home. We out.